Okay, guys, purpose of this video is the weekly pipeline report. You are going to leave a voicemail for the owner outlining how the week went for business. Uh, and yeah, so in this video, I'm going to use there's a lot of investigating. I got a little script that you can do, but basically, as an owner, I'm extremely busy and I don't want to open any reports. I want it delivered. I want the lifeline of my business delivered to me while I'm in the bed watching cartoons, eating cereal. So I can listen to that in a voicemail, it's a lot more simpler for me. Considering all the different tasks and all the different staff that I have to raise and onboard, so on and so forth. So let me read off what I have for Ruby. So basically, she's in here. Send pipeline report voicemail to William and Adriana, and I'm gonna put for the South location. So here it is. Let me edit this. All right, let's rock and roll. So this is the script that I'm gonna be delivering. I'm gonna talk the script and then I'm gonna show you where I got it from. So this is the script I would want to hear. Dear William, before I give you this report, I want you to remember that you're a savage and your name is Thanos, aka Zaddy, aka Rico Strong, aka Tony Stark, aka John 117, aka Ash the Pokemon Master. Here's the weekly report. Your 2 KPI rocks for the South location are the following. Gross 12K, and in order to do that you need $3,500 in sales. You currently are at $569 in sales, which means you need to do $2,930 more, which means also netting 23 COs at 125. I know you can hit that number. Keep it up, right? Your second KPI rock is a retention rate of 95%, which means doing less, losing less than 5 clients per month. So far, you've lost 1. I know you can do it. Then I'll put this is your KPI report from Ruby. Adding to this, you got your 4 pillars. So you would say leads 46, FEO 6, COs 3, client losses 1. You would actually let me know the name of the person and why, right? As far as the COs and FEOs, I don't really need to know all those pieces. You're going to talk about the monthly goal. So our monthly lead goal is off track. So when I look at this, 46, our goal is 103 and we only have 46. It looks like we might not hit that goal. In terms of FEOs, it looks like we hit that goal because we're really not trying to go for none. And then in terms of our COs, we got 3 and we got 5. We're on track for that. So I'm writing this as you would say it. Our monthly lead goal is off by, I'll let you do the math on that. And then, however, we're hitting our FEOs and have hit our CO goal, or rather, we're off by 2. So, can we get 2 more COs in like a 15-day stretch? Absolutely. And then our client's loss goal is on track. So, those are the different pieces with that. Back to the top. I'm gonna go over where I get that information from. I pulled this information from our financials document. The goal is to get 12K gross. The goal is to get 10K in auto pay. We're at 85 gross and we're at 75 in auto pay. Where'd I get those numbers from? I actually pulled it from the financial tab. The financial tab has this data. I kind of took the average of the things, and that means and then we're there. So if you do the numbers, average cost per client is 125, and we need 3,500 in sales. So if you do the math on that, if I type in calculator, press enter. I mean, it's not rocket science how I'm getting these numbers. So if you put in 12. Come here, buddy. Come here. If you put in 12 and you subtract 8.5, that equals 35, right? 3.5. So 3,500 in sales, right? That's a simple way to get the number. So we need to get 3,500 in sales. Where does that number correspond? It corresponds here. 260,309 is 569. That's not 3,500. it's just simple math and knowing, you know, where to hit the numbers. And your job is to educate me or gauge me to go attack, like just like a dog. Like tell me, dog, go sit, go get it. What I need to do. 20 COs, you know, where I got that number from. If you take, if we're trying to get to 10K in auto pay and we're at 7.5, well, if I take 10 and I subtract 7.5, I get 2.5. Well, if I divide that by 125, 2,500 divided by 125, that gives me 20 COs. So to get the difference, I need 20 COs. And I'm going to give you these numbers monthly, but you got to kind of figure it out. You're not worried about the North, you're just worried about the South. Those are the different pieces that we need to make things work. And there's just different pieces in this. It's more of an investigative role. It's not just, you know, delivering a report. I actually want the outbound call center manager to be able to interpret, investigate, like what we need to do to hit these numbers. I'll create a sheet for you that makes you answer these questions, but these are the rocks and this is what we need to hit for the business to grow. And it's your job to prompt me on what I need to do. So again, Ruby, when you look into this, this is what you're saying. Like everything that I'm highlighting right here is actually what you're going to speak. The reason that I like all the name calling and stuff, it kind of keeps me prompted on, it excites me, it kind of gets me riled up because it's a lot of stuff to do. And I want to be, you know, have a positive attitude into going to sometimes rocks that are unreachable. So 2 KPI rocks, we'll get them every quarter. KPI responds to the KPI tracker, and the 2 rocks are the revenue and the retention. All these other rocks have nothing to do with the KPI tracker. This is more so for me. But 2 KPI rocks, you're going to tell me what we need to do to hit them, and you're going to give me the English version. So this is it. Let me know if you got any questions.